Hello, kindergarten students. Today's lesson for my math is lesson number 4 in chapter 3. We're going to be talking about the teenage numbers again. So here we go. We're going to watch a video first. Okay, so our lesson is about numbers 16 and 17. Our essential question is, how can I show numbers beyond 10? Okay, we are on page 197 for number 16. All right, we're going to place counters in the 10 frame to show 16 and then also 17. And then we're going to trace our number, draw circles in the 10 frame, and show the number 16. Okay, so let's get out our tools. Okay, so one thing I notice all the time when we're doing this is that we know we're going to go all the way on the top of the 10 frame here for the first part of 16 because that 1 represents one group of 10. So there's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All right, let's go ahead and trace that number. So we've got one group of 10 and 6. Below are the 6 extra ones. Now, if we wanted to show 17, we would just add one more block to that. All right, but I'm going to move that aside, and we're all finished with this page. Okay, we're at the top of the scene show. We've got a bunch of basketballs. So when you look at that 10 frame, you can see that you have 10, and I'm going to go ahead and circle that so you can see that. This is always going to be 10. I know some of us are still counting it, but that's okay. We'll get it. This is the 10 basketballs. And over here we've got the 6 extra ones. So let's go ahead and write 16. Teenage number 16 is a pretty important number because that's when we get to actually drive a car. So 16. My first car was a Volkswagen Beetle. Okay, all right, let's go to your next problem, which is number 2. Okay, so now we are showing 17 soccer balls. So when you see 17 soccer balls, let me get out my writing tools, you see one group of 10, which is this group right here. And next to it we see 7 extra soccer balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's go ahead and write 17 3 times. Whoops, oh boy. Not doing so good with this mouse today. sure that your number looks a lot better than mine. Okay, 17. And we're ready for the next problem. Okay, so the directions for this one is to count the objects, say the number, and then write the number 3 times. So when I'm doing my counting, you know how Miss Allen likes to, I like to put a little mark on each one. So this time we're going to count each one of these. Even though we know it's 10, it's just a good idea. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, let's go ahead and write 17 on the line. Oh, you know what? I might. Oh, yep, it's fitting. Good. I was worried that my line wouldn't fit there, and I was going to have to make this a little smaller, but it's working. One group of 10 and our 7 extra ones. Okay, you are on your own on this page. This looks like tennis balls. So I want you to count the objects and write the number. For numbers 5 and 6, I would like you to trace the number 3 times and then use either X's or O's or something to represent 16 and 17. And I'll see you on the problem solving page. Okay, we are on problem solving, and this is problem number 7. Count the objects, say how many, draw more to show 16. All right, so we're going to get out our tools. I'm going to go ahead and get out our writing tools. I'm going to use a thicker line here so I can count how many objects. Now, when I eyeball this 10 frame, I can see that half of it is full, and I know that half of that 10 frame is 5. But let's go ahead and count it anyway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's keep counting up to get to our number. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Okay, so here we are on our last problem for problem solving. It's number 8. And so when I look at this problem, I know that I'm going to count the objects, and then I want to count more or put more objects to say 17. So just looking at this without counting it, I see that we filled in the whole 10 frames. So how many are there? 10. So now we're just going to count on from 10, and I'm going to get out my writing tool and we'll build some more. So here we go. We count out from 10, so the next number is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. All right, boys and girls, we're all finished with lesson number 4. Great job today.